This is a brand new 2013 Ford Expedition. This SUV has an automatic transmission, a 5.4-liter V8, and the added capability of four-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, power-adjustable driver pedals, XM satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, side curtain airbags, front and rear reading lights, running boards, dusk-sensing headlights, a trailer hitch receiver, and an auxiliary power outlet. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Capital City Ford is located at 8623 East Washington Street in Indianapolis. Please stop by our location or visit us online at capcityford.com.